If you generally look at the market, you can basically see two players. One that focus more on the lower end use cases, meaning like I want to do a Salesforce to Gmail integration. These are all covered. But what we're talking here is basically the more special industry, special need use cases. So I'll give you an example. We had one customer that wanted to deploy a COVID pipeline, a COVID data pipeline that was in the healthcare industry. So that what that basically means is you need to understand the specifics of the industry. In that case, HL7 messages. Very complicated. Whenever you get admitted to a hospital, they're going to create one of these records. Very complicated, enterprise stuff, and you need to send that data to the government. Now, these are the types of scenarios that you typically can't do with the more modern, iPaaS platforms, because they don't cover these, right? I would say that if you look into any industry, you will find that they typically use a lot of Salesforce and that kind of stuff. So these are covered. If you talk about manufacturing, we go into IoT devices, right? They have very specific event streaming and data streaming requirements. If you look into the banking or finance sector, right, then we're talking specific use cases for transactional account statement data, these types of things. And they all have their industry specific languages, if you so will, language and connectors. If you look into more traditional, like insurance or banking, you'll also find a lot of legacy systems like such as, IBM mainframe or, AS400, if that still rings a bell to you, that has been built decades ago. Now, how do you implement and incorporate and integrate these systems, right? So these are not the typical use cases, but they are around, right? It's like 80% of all the use cases that need to be covered.